Based on these data points, if you run ordinary square, you are going to get this line A. The slope of this line is the beta of the ordinary square. If you run fixed effect, you are going to get the slope of these ellipses. These 4 ellipses has the same slope. See that the slope of the line A is steeper than the slope of the ellipses. Therefore, OLS is biased. It overestimated the impact of X. And if you run random effect, you are going to get bias as well, because random effect is a weight combination between ordinary square and the fixed effect. Let's assume that the unit of analysis is the individual. That means each ellipse represents a specific individual. We have 4 points in each ellipse. That means we see a specific individual for 4 years. Why we call fixed effect as within estimator? Because fixed effect only explore the variation inside the ellipse, within the ellipse. Ordinary square and random effect explore 2 sources of variation, inside the ellipse and between ellipses. And this is the reason of why you cannot estimate the coefficient of the variables that does not vary over time, like gender. Note here that each ellipse has the same slope, but different intercepts. That's why you can implement fixed effect, just put one dummy variable for each individual. That means you allow that each individual has different intercept. And you see that if you don't put the intercept, this will be a multiple variable bias. See that the intercept is correlated with X. Higher value for X, higher the intercept. There is an estimator that is used in other disciplines that we call between estimator, but I never saw between estimator in a top journal in economics. If you first average the 4 data points inside of the ellipse, you will get X bar for each ellipse. And if you explore this between variation between ellipses, between these X bars, we have the between estimator. If you are an econometrician, you must always go to fixed effect, because you care about bias. If the results are statistically or not statistically significant, this does matter. And yes, the results of a fixed effect, it's likely to be less statistically significant compared to ordinary square or random effect. The reason is that the ordinary square and the random effect, they use variation within and between. That means OLS and the random effect use more information, and the fixed effect discard information. Fixed effect are not using the information between ellipses. The logic is to discard information that is generating bias. This is a sacrifice. There is no free lunch. Can you get the same results for ordinary square and fixed effect? Yes, you can if you have the ellipse like this. But note that this is a special case. This is unlikely to happen for observational data. It's unlikely that you have data where these green ellipses match with the slope of the ordinary square.